Hello friends, in this video I will discuss how to make liquid organic fertilizer. Making liquid organic fertilizer, POC, from kitchen waste involves converting organic waste, vegetable and fruit scraps, stale rice, and onion skins, into liquid plant nutrients through a 1 to 2 week fermentation process using additives such as sugar, brown or white, and EM4 as a decomposer. This method is environmentally friendly, inexpensive, and beneficial for plants. The combination of potato peels and onion peels produces a liquid organic fertilizer, POC, rich in potassium, K, phosphorus, P, and growth regulators, auxins, to enrich the soil, stimulate root, flower growth, and protect plants from pests. Soak the peel mixture in water for 1 to 2 days, strain, and dilute before applying once a week. Wood ash is an organic fertilizer rich in potassium, calcium, and magnesium that effectively raises the pH of acidic soil, strengthens roots, and repels pests like snails. Apply a thin layer to dry soil or compost mixtures, but avoid excessive use on acid-loving plants, like azaleas, or in already alkaline soil. Benefits of firewood ash: increases soil pH, liming, neutralizes acidic soil due to its calcium carbonate content, acting as an alternative to dolomite lime. Nutrition source: rich in potassium, K, calcium, Ca, magnesium, Mg, and phosphorus, P, which encourage stem and flower growth. Pest control: repels soft-bodied pests such as snails, leeches, and caterpillars. Compost nutrient: accelerates composting and improves compost quality. Use 1 to 2 cups per 15 centimeters layer of compost. How to use wood ash direct application: sprinkle a thin layer on the surface of the soil around the plant, then gently mix or water it in. Potting mixture: mix wood ash into the growing medium or compost. Watering solution: soak the ash in water for a few days, then use that water for watering. The combination of coffee grounds and powdered milk is an organic material with potential as a liquid fertilizer, as it combines macronutrients, nitrogen from coffee, with calcium and protein from milk. This liquid fertilizer can enrich the soil and help plants flower more abundantly. How to make liquid fertilizer: prepare ingredients. Used coffee grounds, dry slightly to prevent mold, powdered milk, and water. Mix. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with 1 teaspoon of powdered milk into 1 liter of water. Fermentation, optional but recommended, for best results. Let the mixture sit for 2 to 7 days in a closed container. Add granulated sugar, brown sugar, to speed up fermentation. Application: strain the mixture before use to prevent clogging of the sprayer. Combination benefits: coffee grounds, rich in nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, which plants need for vegetative growth. They also act as a natural pesticide to repel pests like snails. Powdered milk, or spoiled milk, a high source of calcium. It helps thicken plant cell walls, increases resistance to pests and diseases, and prevents wilting. Tea grounds are extremely beneficial for plants because they contain essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which can enrich the soil. Tea grounds can be used directly, after drying, or soaked in water to stimulate growth, improve soil structure, retain moisture, and repel pests. Benefits of tea dregs for plants: natural fertilizer, NPK. The organic content in tea dregs, especially nitrogen, is excellent for the growth of leaves and ornamental plants. Fertilizes roses and ornamental plants. Tea dregs, especially loose tea, are highly favored by roses and can improve soil fertility. Improves soil structure. Adding tea dregs to the soil improves aeration and water holding capacity. Repels pests. The aroma of tea can help repel several types of pests around plants. The combination of grass, fresh or dried grass clippings, straw, and coffee grounds is an excellent mixture for plants, often used as compost, mulch, or as a potting mix. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, a green source, while the dried grass, straw provides a balanced carbon content, a brown source, helping the soil stay loose, moist, and nutrient-rich. Using a combination of grass and coffee grounds for plants. 1. As organic mulch, ground cover, method. Mix coffee grounds, dried, non-clumping, with grass clippings or dry leaves. Sprinkle over the surface of pots or beds, avoiding direct contact with plant stems. Benefits: suppresses weed growth, maintains soil moisture, and slowly releases nutrients. Coffee grounds also help repel pests like snails. Planting media mixture method. Mix coffee grounds into the soil at a maximum ratio of 10 to 15% of the total planting media mix to maintain a moderate acidity level. Add chopped dry grass to improve soil aeration, airspace. Benefits: improves the structure of dense clay soil and increases soil organic matter. Journal of Information, Science and Technology +33. Organic compost, composting process. Method: coffee grounds, green, nitrogenous material. Rice washing water, Larry water, is a liquid organic fertilizer which is very useful for fertilizing plants, stimulating root growth, and increasing the amount of chlorophyll thanks to its nutritional content such as NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, vitamin B1, carbohydrates, and good microorganisms. This water helps speed up plant growth, plumps up the leaves, and reduces shock when transplanting. Detailed benefits of rice washing water for plants. Additional nutrients. Contains nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, and vitamin B1, which act as an organic liquid fertilizer for plant growth. Stimulates growth. Vitamin B1 aids plant metabolism and acts as a growth regulator, auxin and gibberellin hormones, that stimulates new roots and shoots. Nutrition. The starch in rice washing water provides an energy source for beneficial microorganisms in the soil, increasing nutrient availability. Stress, wilt prevention. Helps plants adapt to being transplanted, reducing transplant shock. Improves quality and yield. Can be used for ornamental plants, vegetables, and plantation crops to thicken leaves and accelerate flowering. Rice washing water, Air Larry, can be mixed with various other fertilizers to enhance plant nutrition, especially after fermentation. Ingredients include EM4, effective microorganism 4, as a starter, sugar, molasses as a source of microbial energy, and fruit peels, such as pineapple or onion peels, for additional nutrients. Plants grow very quickly after being applied with liquid organic fertilizer, POC, because the nutrients in liquid POC are more easily and quickly absorbed by the roots and leaf stomata. POC contains a complete range of macronutrients, N, P, K, and micronutrients, and is often supplemented with plant growth regulators, phytohormones, and amino acids that stimulate vegetative growth, increase chlorophyll, and strengthen roots.